Johnny's Bar and Grill, Mexican and American cuisine with daily and weekly specials, juicy burgers, mouth-watering tacos, and more. 1519 West Highway 150 in Lincolnton.
The individuals depicted have been arrested but not convicted at the time of story postings. This information does not infer or imply guilt of any actions or activity other than their arrest. We make no warranty or guarantee as to the accuracy of this data.
Welcome back. This is the WHKY News, and it's time now for the Crime Report. I'm Ralph Mangum. A federal indictment charging 38 defendants with conspiracy to distribute fentanyl, methamphetamine, and cocaine was unsealed last week. WHKY's Rob Eastwood has the local angle on this story.
A Hickory Metro resident is among the 38 who were charged. The announcement was made by United States Attorney for the Middle District of North Carolina, Sandra J. Hairston. Among those charged on the indictment for narcotics distribution conspiracy is 54-year-old Adrian Hill of Lenoir. He was being held in the Caldwell County Detention Center without bond. If convicted, the defendants face up to life in prison. A federal district court judge will determine any sentence after considering the U.S. sentencing guidelines and other statutory factors. This prosecution is part of an organized crime drug enforcement task force's investigation that identifies, disrupts, and dismantles the highest level drug traffickers, money launderers, gangs, and transnational criminal organizations that threaten the United States. Investigating agencies in this case include the United States Postal Inspection Service, Homeland Security Investigations, the United States Drug Enforcement Administration, the Internal Revenue Service Criminal Investigation, Federal Bureau of Investigation, United States Marshals Service, North Carolina Alcohol Law Enforcement, and various local agencies. You can get more details on this case by going to this story at our website, WHKY.com. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thanks, Rob. WHKY's Arianna Mack has one from Alexander County and this one from Hickory.
A Burke County woman faces Catawba County drug charges. 26-year-old Christina Renee Bissett of Cedar Street in Connelly Springs was arrested Sunday by Hickory police officers. She's charged with possession of heroin and possession of drug paraphernalia. Bissett was jailed in the Catawba County detention facility without bond. A district court date was scheduled for December 16th. And a Taylorsville man jailed for failure to appear on a meth charge. 50-year-old Mark Wesley Clanton of Taylorsville was served warrants Wednesday, December 11th for failure to appear. The original charges date to June 2024 when he was charged by the Alexander County Sheriff's Office with felony possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia. Clanton is being held in the Alexander County Detention Center under a $60,000 secured bond. A court appearance in Taylorsville was scheduled for January 13th. Clanton also has an upcoming Catawba County Superior Court date on January 6th for possession of a firearm by a felon, and he has a pair of driving while license revoked charges pending in Catawba County. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna. 37-year-old Scotty Allen Harrington of Conover was detained last Tuesday on charges dating back to August of this year. He was charged with felony counts of trafficking methamphetamine, fleeing to elude arrest with a motor vehicle, and possession with intent to manufacture, sell, or deliver meth. He was also charged with possession of a stolen license tag, possession of drug paraphernalia, driving while license revoked, and multiple counts of resisting a public officer. Harrington was initially arrested on August 25th after attempting to avoid a checkpoint conducted by the North Carolina State Highway Patrol and the Sheriff's Office in southern Alexander County. Harrington fled on a motorcycle at a high rate of speed into Catawba County, where he crashed. Harrington then attempted to flee on foot but was captured. He was found to be in possession of a significant amount of illegal substances. Following his most recent arrest, Harrington was jailed in Alexander County with bond set at $75,000. He has a January 6th court date in Taylorsville. And 26-year-old Trevor Cole Bowling of North Davis Avenue in Newton was arrested Saturday by Newton police on a felony warrant as a fugitive awaiting extradition to another state. Bowling is wanted by authorities in Bluntville in Sullivan County, Tennessee for failure to appear on 4 counts of sale and delivery of a half a gram or more of methamphetamine, plus single counts of driving while license revoked and possession of drug paraphernalia. Bowling is being held in the Catawba County Detention Facility with bond set at $50,000 secured. An appearance in district court was scheduled December 16th in Newton. And that's our crime report today. Thank you all for joining us. For WHKY, I'm Ralph Mangum, reminding you to keep it clean and keep it legal.